During this session in Burton's Academy, we will run through Stripe. And if you have two accounts within Stripe accidentally created when you're connecting to Xero, I will show you how to identify which one needs deleting and then delete it. So if on your Stripe account, what you have is like me, you have two accounts. So I have one called YouTube and I have another one called YouTube. Really helpful. They're both different accounts, but the same name. So I don't know which one is connected to my bank account, my Xero account at the moment, because it just says Stripe. It doesn't say which one. So what I need to do is find out this number that is in my Stripe account. So it is ending 98PV. I need to find out which one that is and remove the other one. So back into Stripe, what we can do is go onto settings and business. And so straight away, I can see the account name is YouTube and I have this 98PV account. And as we've just seen, that's the one I'm wanting. So this is the account that is connected. And to just quickly double check that this is the account I'm keeping and the other one is the one I'm deleting, I'll go into the other one by clicking my name and then click the other YouTube account and it says switching accounts. And then what I will see, because I'm already on the business details section, I will then see the account ID has now changed. So this is the one that's not connected to Xero and therefore needs to be deleted. If you've connected the wrong one to Xero, then obviously you need to delete the one that's incorrect and disconnect it from Xero and then connect the right one and so on. But I know because I'm setting up my Stripe account today, it doesn't really matter which one I delete as long as I delete the one that's not connected to Xero. So from here, I can go down and click close account. You want to close the account rather than leave the account because it means that if you leave the account, it is still active and someone, maybe somewhere, is then able to connect to this and it is still connected to your bank account that you've just set up. So make sure you close the account. And then again, I want to then switch to my other account because that's been closed, which is exactly what we expect to happen. So again, just really simply how to find that information. We would go to the settings cog and then we would click business details, a business for details. And that's where I find that information out.